Welcome everyone, I am Rupali representing Vedabi Global Services, specialist in providing support and services in BI and EPM space. We are specialists in pre-sale support, health checkup and optimization, installation configuration, upgrade migration, support and maintenance, end-to-end implementation. Today my webinar agenda is for Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 10G versus obiee 11G. I'll be explaining obiee 10G and obiee 11G differences, upgrade 10G to 11G and what is updated, differences between Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 10G and Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G, security models, how Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 10G and Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G still runs fundamentally the same way. And last one, that is migrating Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 10G to Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G, things that you need to keep in mind. So first of all, Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 10G and Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G differences. So first of all, I am going to explain the naming conventions with respect to obiee 11G and obiee 10G. So in obiee 10G, I would renamed as a agent with respect to the obiee 11G. So I would renames in obiee 11G as a agent, and second, request renamed as a analysis as a request in 10G, which renamed as a analysis in obiee 11G. Then charts in obiee 10G, now it's renamed as graphs in obiee 11G, and presentation catalogs in obiee 10G, now it's renamed as a attribute column security in obiee 11G. In such a way, the naming conventions is now changed in case of Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G. And second, Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 10G that uses OC full J as an application server, but Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G uses WebLogic as a application server. In obiee 10G uses OCJ4 as an application server, but in 11G it uses the WebLogic as an application server. And third one, uh, Oracle Business Intelligence 11G fully integrated with BI Publisher, but in case of obiee 10G, it's not. So all of the BI Publisher functionality that appears seamlessly within the Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition application, and all of the reports and related objects are created within the Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, and got saved to the BI presentation catalog. And now in Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11.1.17, available downloads are for BI desktop tool like Oracle BI, Microsoft Office, Smart View for Office, and Financial Reporting Studio, SBS Studio Console. These are all the downloads are available in obiee 11G for version obiee 11.1.1.7, but in case of obiee 10G, it's not available. And now last one, that is session variables get initialized when they are actually used in Oracle Business Intelligence LMG, but unlike in TNG, where they were initialized as soon as the user logs in. These are all about the OBIE 10G and OBIE 11G differences. And now I'm going to explain upgrade 10G to uh, 11G and what exactly going to update it while upgrading the OBI 10G to OBI 11G. Then what exactly the things or artifacts going to update it. So first RPD users and group, and second web catalogs where the reports inside in web catalogs, and third delivers, and fourth BI publisher repository, and last, that is BI publisher schemas that updated with respect to 11G when it's going to upgrade it from 10G to 11G. So this is about upgradation while from 10G to 11G, and updated artifacts. Then differences between Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 10G and Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G security models. So first of all, users and group. So, in case of TNG, it defines the users and groups in RPD files using Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition administration tool. But in OBIE LMNG, the users are defined in embedded WebLogic server, LDAP, Fusion middleware control, and enterprise manager console, and alternative in external LDAP. So in TNG, the users and groups are inside RPD files, and in case of LMG, the it defines with embedded WebLogic server, and Fusion middleware enterprise managed console. um, and then the security policies. So the security policies in case of OBIE TNG, the policies in the catalog and repository can be defined to reference groups within the directory. But in case of OBIE 11G, policies are defined in terms of application role, which maps to the users and groups in a directory. Then third, the administrator user. So for OBIE10G, unique users with full administrative privileges, and for Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G, no single user's name for full administration administrator privileges administration, and can be performed by any users who is a member of business intelligence administrator groups. And fourth one, that is the repository encryption for OBIEE 10G. I'm going to explain. It should be available on sensitive elements only, and that is, we can say, user password, connections pool password, and for OBIEE 11G, entire RPD encrypted by password, means entire RPD which going to encrypt by the password. And then the fifth one, external authentication and Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition initialization blocks. So for TNG, Initialization blocks are required for external LDAP or external table authentication, but for obiee 11G, initialization blocks not required for WebLogic embedded LDAP. Init blocks are required for external LDAP or external table authentication. And the sixth one, catalog groups. So in case of BIE Tenchi, catalog groups defines in the presentation server administration link, but in case of OBI 11G, available for backward compatibility, use of application role in a Fusion middleware enterprise manager console recommended. Then last, that is presentation server group. So in case of Potenchi, everyone in the presentation server group, and now in case of OBI LMG, it replaces with the authenticator user role. So these are all about differences between Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 10G and Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G security model. And this security models is one of the important things, and it's all about security models and its differences. I explain in this slide. And then how OBIE 10G and OBI 11G still runs fundamentally the same way. Means I'm going to explain the now OBI 10G and OBI 11G. Now it's going to it runs on the same way, means most of the things are same in both OBI10G and OBI11G, and it's going to support the same way and work as in case of OBI11G and OBI10G. So first, user queries via the presentation server, that in the case of OBI 10G and OBI 11G. And second, Oracle Business Intelligence Server converts these queries to physical SQL and IMDX via the Oracle BI repository, and it should be happen in case of both for OBI 10G and OBI 11G. Means BI server converts these queries to the physical SQL or MDX via the Oracle BI repository. Means both in the case of this conversion, these queries to the physical SQL takes place via the Oracle BI repository. Then third, queries are passed to the underlying physical databases and OLAP cubes. So in case of OBI 10G and OBI 11G, for both it's the same, means queries are passed to the underlying physical databases and OLAP cubes. Then last, that is data returned to the users in the form of a dashboard and reports. So it happens for OBI 10G, and now also in case of OBI 11G, data returns to the users in the form of we can say with a dashboard and reports. So these all things for OBI 11G and OBI 10G that runs fundamentally on the same way, we can say. Now migrating BI publisher 10G to OBI 10G to OBI 11G, things that you need to keep in mind. So so here enhance catalog object security, and need to give the permission for folders and permission to the reports. So so migrating BI publisher from 10G to 11G and need to give the permission for the reports, and these permissions I'm going to explain full control, modify, open, schedule, publisher reports, view publisher output, traverse, no access, and custom. And for permission for a report, I'm going to explain, and I'm going to tell that is full control, modify, open, schedule, publish report, view, uh, publish output, no access, and custom. And second, for the user to run reports, he must have the read permission granted for every object that is referenced by the report. We can say the data model. So for the users, it's need to run the report, and that time that users have the permission. We can say the read permission granted by the users, and every object that is referenced by the report, we can say with respect to the data model. And in 11G, all the roles that access the data sources, even we can say viewing report, only to viewing report, and must be granted access to the data sources. And this task is performed in administration page. So in 11G, all roles that access data sources, that are the things we have to keep in mind while migrating BI Publisher 10G to 11G. So this is about migrating BI Publisher from obiee 10G to 11G. That are the things we have to keep in mind. So thanks for participating in webinar. We will look forward to see you again in the upcoming webinars for Vedabi Global Services. Please contact us for any query related to BI and EPM space to email and mobile number available on the contact us slide. Have a great time. Thank you.